Welcome to another productive day at Bigfoot Studios. In this video, we're diving into a full sweep of facility operations, breaking down old fence posts and lighting with impact drills, separating fine sand for gutter finishing, clearing the layout for pathway and road expansion, and crafting honeycomb bricks for future builds. Every task is a step toward a cleaner, stronger, and more efficient space. Let's get to work. Facility Operations Continuation 1. Breaking old fence post and lighting fixtures task. Dismantle outdated fence posts and lighting using impact drill. Activities: inspect and mark posts and fixtures scheduled for removal. Use impact drill to loosen bolts, anchors, and embedded fasteners. Detach metal or concrete components with control force. Collect and segregate reusable versus scrap materials. Clear debris and prep area for future installations or upgrades. Fine sand separation for gutter finishing task. Extract fine sand from mixed aggregates for concrete finishing activities. Shovel mixed sand and gravel into mesh screen or separator. Sift manually or with vibration to isolate fine sand. Collect fine sand in clean containers for gutter work. Store separated sand in dry covered area to maintain quality. Dispose or repurpose coarse gravel for other construction needs. Pathway layout and roadway expansion clearing task. Define new pathway and clear space for road widening activities. Stake and string layout for pathway alignment. Remove vegetation, rocks, and obstructions from layout zone. Excavate and level ground for both pathway and expanded road. Transport cleared materials to designated disposal or reuse area. Ensure safe access and visibility for ongoing work. Honeycomb brick production task. Create honeycomb-style bricks for future paving or walling activities. Prepare mold frames with honeycomb pattern. Mix cement, sand, and gravel in correct ratio for brick strength. Pour mixture into molds and vibrate to eliminate air pockets. Allow bricks to cure under shade for optimal hardening. Stack and store finished bricks for deployment.